Let's clear up some confusion today about socialism, Marxism, and communism. Here's the key takeaway right off the bat. Socialism is a system, Marxism is a theory, and communism is the goal. Let's start with socialism, the system. Socialism is an economic and political system where the government or collective groups control certain industries and resources to ensure fairness and reduce inequality. Think of it as a way to make sure everyone gets their fair share. For example, countries like Norway use socialist policies to provide free healthcare, education, and strong welfare programs, but they still operate within capitalist economies. It's not about getting rid of capitalism entirely. It's about balancing it out. Now let's move on to Marxism, the theory. Marxism was developed by Karl Marx in the 19th century. He argued that society is divided into two classes, the bourgeois, who own the factories and businesses, and the proletariat, who do the labor. According to Marx, this divide creates tension, class struggle that will eventually lead to revolution. Marx believed that workers should rise up, overthrow the ruling class, and take control of the means of production. But here's the thing, Marxism isn't just about rebellion, it's a roadmap for transforming society into something better. And finally, we have communism, the goal. Communism is the ultimate endpoint of Marxist theory. It's a vision of a classless, stateless society where everything is shared equally. There's no private property, no rich or poor, just people working together for the common good. In theory, communism sounds utopian. However, when countries like the Soviet Union or China tried to implement it, things got complicated. Instead of achieving Marx's ideal, many ended up with authoritarian regimes controlling every aspect of life. Critics argue these systems missed the mark entirely. So, to recap, socialism is the system, government, or collective ownership to promote fairness. Marxism is the theory about class struggle leading to a worker-controlled society. Communism is the goal, a classless, stateless society where everything is shared equally. While these ideas are fascinating in theory, history shows us that putting them into practice can be messy and sometimes even dangerous. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below.